Ladies and gents, welcome to another vloggy vlog. Hello. That was a wet piece of cardboard. Awkward. Yeah, I'm out here cruising. 40 degrees Thursday. Oh, 40 degrees Thursday. First ride on a rebuilt suspension. First proper ride, that is. Obviously I took it home from the shop. Busy day today. A couple of things. I mean, not crazy things, but it's one of those situations where it's beyond your control and there's nothing you can do to like, you just have to wait it out. Like, I'm waiting on some news about the car. There's some issues with the car, and then I'm waiting on the 6 p.m. phone call I gotta make about some business. And then I got a dentist tomorrow at 7 a.m. Why did I sign up for a 7 a.m. dentist appointment? I have no idea. I really don't know. But at least I signed up for a dentist. I've been ignoring the dentist for so fucking long. Go to your dentist, kids. When was the last time you had a cleaning, huh? When was the last time? But yeah, so basically I ignored it for like 2 years, 3 years. And now I have 2 deep cleanings, 2 cavities, well, which one of them I knew about from a while before. Second one, and then I gotta get this third thing. And then apparently I grind my teeth when I sleep, so madness. Gonna figure it out. Gonna get my mouths in order, but yeah, still haven't sent in my dash. I gotta send in my dash. I'm just like so happy that, I mean, we'll see if the baby's leaking oil or not. Hopefully by the time I get to Dumbo, it's not a bloody mess. There we go. We got this. Everybody's turning, huh? Go ahead, kids. Everybody can turn in. Jesus Christ. 55 minutes. Uh, 55 after is our time of arrival, which seems a little late. I'll be the first to admit. There we go. The bus is behind me. Come on, kids, let's make the light. It's a problem with being by the law. You rely on, like I was saying before, you rely on other people. I like to be in control. At least it's not too cold out. Even though it's like 40, feels like 29 or something. It's on the warmer side. It's definitely on the warmer side. And as always, got a little bit of traffic ahead of us. You have to do a touch of splitting. Yep, touch of splitting. we go. We're back. We're back, boys and girls. A little splitteroo banzai, if you will. To be expected. Not too cold though, so it's all good. Now we're in Dumbo once more. Arrival time, we made up 10 minutes. I like that. Gonna lose a minute here though, because of the last second, you know, blenders, inners. But we didn't break too many rules. Didn't upset anybody through our vicious splitting. Wait, there's a crash? There's a crash coming up. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna put on my blinker, you know, so people know my intentions. This person's going straight. Well, maybe they're all going straight, but any luck. One or two is definitely gonna blend in. Wait, is that the crash? Maybe. No? Wow. What the hell was that? Was that a real cop? I don't know. Imagine. No, I think that was some fake bullshit. I know those lights look kind of real, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Seems fake to me. You got it. Dumbo, the forever construction zone. We got buses, we got cars. We'll get ahead as much as we can, but I don't know how much that is. What's going on here? Motorcycle, bro. Get around things. Motorcycles are the best. Suspension feels a little soft. It does. But I gotta give it another feel. This person fucking just cruising there? What's happening, bro? What's happening? It's definitely better than it was. It was a freaking pogo stick before. Now it's more of a controlled pogo. Go ahead. Nope. Got it. Look at that parking job. Holy shit. That's kind of hilarious. Oh, man. Love this bike. Love this bike when she runs. When she runs and everything is good. It's just quite a freaking, quite a feat. When she's giving me a trouble, I don't like it so much. No. Alright, gotta pass this banana. You towing somebody? Might be landing up for a little tow job. Then you're luck, we just find parking like immediately. Didn't want anybody parking here because of heavy equipment. Heavy equipment. It's not a bad spot right there though. No, I don't want to park right here. It's shady. Ooh, that's a plug-in hybrid RAV4. It's kind of cute. Let's see, same situation, right? All right. That's the way it always is around here nowadays. I'll go up that way and see if there's anything cute available. And obviously that street was good, but damn, that guy parked close. find a different spot. Last time there was a nice spot right here, but that beamer pulled right up to the tippy top. God damn. Gonna lose all our time that we gained by going around. We're gonna lose it all to parking. Oh well. Well. All part of the fun. Parking is part of the process. You gotta remember, it's not for parking. You're not going anywhere. No, there's no spots here, bro. I'm fucked. Alright. So what are we gonna do? Dude, there's no spots. Alright, we'll go around. I don't particularly care. These motherfuckers took all the spots with this stupid construction bullshit. I don't like it at all. I don't like it one bit. I just stop right here. Can I? Maybe. I might just pull up right there. Yep, I'll do that. Fuck these guys. And my chain sounds good. I'm excited. My bike is feeling pretty good this morning. There we go. We'll get close to the Honda, as close as possible, and then lean it towards the Acura, just like so. Boom. The wind is strong today. All right, kids. I mean, I could, you know, walk with you for a minute or two, show you the sights. All right. What do we got? The sticker's still on there. I just got a new inspection sticker, so making sure it's still on there. Good. We're gonna be okay after all. All right. It's a chilly little morning in Dumbo, but it's not too bad. Arguably, that's a spot right there as well, but the prime, cute. It's perfect. Even though I have all these things to do today, this is a moment of peace. At this power station here, going bananas. Going bananas. Nice gloves too, man. Highway 21. Yeah, and that's it. And that's it. Wonder when this building will open. It's been a while. Alright, talk to you kids later, alright? Bye-bye.